Windows play a vital role in your home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outside world. In Dallas, where the climate can shift from blazing hot summers to chilly winters, keeping your windows in excellent condition is essential. Proper window maintenance not only extends their lifespan but also enhances energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. Here are the top window maintenance tips for Dallas residents to ensure your windows remain functional, attractive, and energy efficient year-round. Regular cleaning for a clear view. Dust, dirt, and pollen are common in Dallas, especially during the warmer months. Regular cleaning keeps your windows looking pristine and prevents debris buildup that can lead to damage. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar. Wipe with a microfiber cloth or squeegee to avoid streaks and scratches. Frame cleaning. For vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames, use mild soap and water with a soft cloth. Wooden frames should be wiped with a damp cloth and dried immediately to prevent moisture damage. Track cleaning. Vacuum or wipe down tracks to remove dirt and grime that could hinder window operation. Pro tip: avoid cleaning windows in direct sunlight, as the cleaner may dry too quickly, leaving streaks. Inspect for damage regularly. Performing routine inspections helps you catch small issues before they become costly repairs. Check for cracks or chips. Inspect glass panes for damage that could compromise insulation or safety. Inspect frames. Look for warping, cracking, or peeling paint on wooden frames, especially in Dallas's humid months. Seal and weather stripping. Ensure that seals and weather stripping are intact to prevent drafts and air leaks. Pro tip: schedule inspections at least twice a year, once in spring and once in fall, to address any weather-related wear. Reapply caulking and weather stripping. Over time, caulking and weather stripping can degrade due to Dallas's fluctuating temperatures and humidity. Reapplying these materials helps maintain energy efficiency and prevents water leaks. Caulking. Remove old, cracked caulk and apply a fresh layer around window edges to seal gaps. Weather stripping. Replace worn or damaged weather stripping to improve insulation and reduce drafts. Pro tip: use weather-resistant caulking materials that can withstand Dallas's hot summers and sudden storms. Maintain window screens. Window screens are essential for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Proper care ensures they remain functional and attractive. Clean screens. Remove screens and wash them with soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and allow them to air dry before reinstalling. Inspect for tears. Repair small holes or replace screens if they are significantly damaged. Frame condition. Check screen frames for bending or warping that could affect fit. Pro tip: store screens during the winter months to extend their lifespan. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with movable components, such as double-hung or sliding windows, require occasional lubrication to ensure smooth operation. Hinges and tracks. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to hinges, tracks, and other moving parts to prevent sticking and reduce wear. Avoid greasy products. Do not use oil-based lubricants that can attract dirt and grime. Pro tip: lubricate your windows once or twice a year or whenever you notice stiffness or difficulty in operation. Protect against moisture damage. Dallas's humidity and occasional storms can lead to moisture-related issues like mold or rot, especially for wooden windows. Ensure proper drainage. Check that drainage holes in window frames are clear to prevent water buildup. Seal wooden frames. Repaint or reseal wooden frames every few years to protect against moisture. Wipe away condensation. If condensation forms on windows, use a dehumidifier to maintain indoor humidity levels. Pro tip: keep gutters clean and ensure downspouts direct water away from windows to minimize exposure. Upgrade to energy-efficient solution. If your windows are old or inefficient, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient designs can reduce maintenance needs while improving performance. Double or triple glazing. Insulated glass reduces heat transfer, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Low E coatings. Reflective coatings reduce UV exposure, protecting your interiors and lowering cooling costs. Durable frames. Vinyl or fiberglass frames resist warping and require less upkeep than traditional materials. Pro tip: work with a professional installer to ensure your upgraded windows are fitted correctly for maximum efficiency. Schedule professional inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, professional inspections can identify issues you might miss and provide expert solutions. Glass repairs. Professionals can address chips, cracks, or scratches before they worsen. Frame adjustments. Experts ensure frames remain aligned and functional. Deep cleaning. Professional cleaning restores clarity and shine, especially for hard-to-reach windows. Pro tip: schedule professional inspections every 1-2 years to keep your windows in peak condition. Conclusion: keep your Dallas windows in top shape. Windows are a critical part of your home's functionality and aesthetic appeal. For Dallas residents, maintaining them is essential to combat the region's heat, humidity, and occasional storms. By following these tips, cleaning regularly, inspecting for damage, and addressing minor issues, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and keep your home energy efficient and secure. When it's time for upgrades or repairs, work with trusted professionals in Dallas to ensure your windows remain a beautiful and functional feature of your home. With proper care, your windows will continue to shine for years to come.